Hey guys, what's up? Back for another day. First I want to go ahead and say, go drop your vote. It's the last vote, or the last two votes. Today's Sunday, the competition ends tomorrow at 2 p.m. my time, and it's almost 11 now, and what, 26 hours the voting is over? So please go drop your vote. We're already 2,000 plus votes ahead of the competition by a lot, so thank you guys for that. But anyways, the car, as you can see, both pillars are painted all the way. The door jambs, I started spraying them. I got a weird reaction here for some reason. Not sure why, but I'll sand that down. I have some light Bondo to sand there and primer it. As you can see, I started spraying there. See, this side is molded in pretty well, I'd say. But the thing is, on the other side is where I'm not happy. The trunk, obviously, you can see I painted it. Everything that needs to be silver is silver. That's why I didn't paint the flares or the arches, because it's going to be blue. But right here, I didn't really like this right there. It's just Bondo that I didn't sand down all the way, it seems, that I didn't really see. So I'm just going to go ahead and sand that down. As you can see, this side's basically perfect too. It's molded into the pillar, or into the door jamb. So yeah, just gonna continue, get some work done, and then yeah, we should be good, because like I said, the silver is everywhere that it needs to be so far, and then we can drive it forward out of the garage into the driveway, put the doors on, mark out where the lines are gonna be off of the doors, make, you know, the tape lines, take off the doors, roll it back in, mask off everything around the parts that are going to be blue, which means all the way around here, down there. Don't worry, I know how to do the livery right this time. Gotta curve it on the end, etc, etc. Spray the blue, wait another 30 to 45 minutes, because I do have the heater on. It's cold outside, like 45, it's like 70 in here. And then after all that, after the blue is dry, I could take all the tape off from the livery and everything like that, and then just fully clear coat everything all together. And that should be good for the body. The roof is not painted blue yet. I will have to do that probably either way late tonight. It's not too hard, just way late tonight, or way later tomorrow. I don't know, because I don't want to tape off and put a tarp on the fresh paint until 24 hours have gone by, because you want the clear coat to be like fully hard. I don't want to put any scratches in it. Does the shit on the roof matter, you think?
Yeah. So when you go down at an angle, it's gonna fall off.
Forward. That's really it.
Yeah.
Not really much more to it.
Not really much more to it but to do it.
Is the tool already on? I don't know where this shit begins.
Plug is over there.
Oh, I see. The plug, where the plug at? So we just took the car out, and I just slapped on the doors, as you can see. So now we just need the doors to be basically know where the line is gonna run, where it's gonna be down there, and then we'll obviously just do the other line like that. But just to be certain, we still have to mark it. Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully by the end of today.
Really?
Yeah.
You'll be finished?
Well, the body will be painted, the main section of it. And maybe by the end of tomorrow it'll be all together and all the last little bits. Hopefully. Like, I'll spray the rest of the blue on the other side, then we can do the tarps on the doors. Well, obviously we're just going to bring it in now. So I sprayed the blue on this side. Now that doesn't really mean anything to you guys, but yeah, now we're going to bring it in because it's starting to like drizzle a little bit. Because it doesn't really matter if you get the dust in the base coat too much, it just matters for the clear coat. Then we got to put tarps on both things so I can clear the jams and not get clear all over the interior and all that stuff. Obviously we'll be ripping off all this and clearing it all together. So final push, guys. It's like 7 p.m. now. Way behind schedule of what I thought I would do. I was hoping I would paint the car by like 1, but we had paint issues. We had this issue. We had all these little issues. But I am ready now. I'm gonna pop up the camera, put it on time lapse, wipe down the car, and give it my best shot. You know, I'm kind of glad that this time at least we are painting the jams silver, so at least it looks better because when you open the door, it's silver, not black. So yeah, a little bit dusty already from the silver metallic flake shit, as you can see. Anyways, I'm gonna get this banged out. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm not even going to bother screwing around. I just got to get out of here so I don't raise any more dust. It's already pretty late, so I'd rather not wait till 12 to film a clip and then edit this. I'd rather edit this now. But tomorrow's video, it's going to be lit. Because things finally painted. It actually came out pretty good too, surprisingly. So anyways, be sure to vote. Get your last votes in. We're already killing it. We're in like the 4,000s now, and everyone else is in like the 1,000 and 2,000s. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for literally one of the most anticipated videos for a while now. Peace.